Scientific and reasonable layout of oil and gas roads in CNC turret milling machine processing center. Equipped with dual compressed air automatic water filter. Minimize moisture in compressed air. Ensure that the pneumatic components are running properly. Extend the service life of pneumatic components. And the machine tool is designed to install high-pressure gas storage device. Ensure that the machine tool is not affected by air pressure fluctuations. At the same time, the air pressure detection and alarm device is added in the design. Prevent the machine from malfunctioning when the air pressure is lower than the design pressure. Minimize the possibility of tool magazines. The machine is equipped with 12 bucket type Taiwan brand magazines. Taiwan Original Health BD40 spindle. Easy installation of water and steam pipes. This machine uses the German Siemens 880 system. High machine stability. Configuration graphic programming is simple and convenient. The electric box adopts strong and weak electric separation electronic control system to avoid interference. Modular panels and electronic control systems increase system reliability. Equipped with original Siemens servo drive. Contacta in the electric box, thermal overload protection, circuit breaker, electrical components such as relays. All use Siemens brand appliances. CNC machine toolbox cable implementation of European standard power line 4.0 mm to control line 1.5 mm to. Machine toolbox with heat exchanger. Accelerate the heat dissipation of the electrical box to prevent damage to components caused by high temperature.